It has been seen in the PPDT, that is the picture perception and description test. There is lot of shouting and arguments that are happening. So, what should the candidate do to get himself heard or get the support of other candidates in the PPDT?
I think this is the most difficult part of SSB. And unfortunately, here most of the good candidates get rejected. Not because of fault of theirs, but because of that fish market which happens during PPDT. The reason is very simple. Because nobody knows anyone. There is no love lost between two people. So the point is that how to make sure that at least there are 3-4 people in that group who can be with you. Because if you have 2-3 people with you, and when you are speaking, they are listening you and they are supporting you, then automatically other people will keep quiet. So how to go about that? What I say, it may look funny, but what you can do is, the first thing when these people meet is at the railway station. Now, railway station, some of the candidates, they come with their parents, some of them are alone. So that is the time when you should go on the platform and try to locate like-minded person amongst that lot. And you will find few of them. Go and speak to them. If they are in a group, you tell them, okay, you all have come from SSB. They will say, yes, we have come from SSB, and you can start conversation with them. Take some toffees with you.
Okay.
Right? Take some toffees with you and give it to them. It is a small gesture. And I can assure you, once, suppose if I give you toffee, and during PPDT, you will not counter my poet. I can assure you that. Because it is my personal experience, and I have asked candidates, and they, after they have come back from SSB, they have told me, sir, it has worked.
Okay.
So try to establish rapport as early as possible, and as with as many people, as many candidates as possible. And you can tell them in a very humble and polite manner, look, we have all come for to get selected, and let us work together, and don't make fixed market. Let us, everybody should get a chance to speak and put on our best, and after that it all depends who gets selected or rejected. So, but I can assure you, nobody is going to listen to you. ठीक है, वो नहीं सुनेगा, जो उन्हें करना है वो करेंगे. अभी सवाल आता है, लेकिन ये जो आपने काम किया है, इसमें से कुछ, आई होपफुली, कुछ ऐसे होंगे जो आपके ग्रुप में होंगे, और जब आप बोलोगे तो वो आपको काउंटर नहीं करेंगे. तो उस केस में इट विल add to your advantage. Another thing which I suggest to candidates is during, especially during PPDT, because ग्रुप डिस्कशन जब होता है, जब नॉर्मल एसएसबी शुरू हो जाता है, तब तक वो इतना रेपो हो जाता है कि इतना ज्यादा शोर नहीं मचता जितना वहां पे मचता है. बेस्ट थिंग टू डू इज, जो सबसे ज्यादा शोर मचा रहा हो पीपीडीटी में, उसके साथ एग्री कर जाओ.
ओके.
बेस्ट थिंग यू शुड से कि आई एग्री विद सो एंड सो. चेस्ट नंबर उस टाइम होती है कि चेस्ट नंबर उस टाइम नहीं होता है? चेस्ट नंबर. ओके. सपोज उमंग इज देयर and chest number is 5, and Umang is the one she is speaking the maximum. ठीक है. So what I should do is, I should say कि okay, whatever chest number 5 is saying, I fully agree with her, but I would like to add 1 or 2 points. इतना बोलने से उमंग चुप हो जाएगी. क्योंकि उमंग को ये पता है कि मेरे जो मार्क्स थे वो पूरे हो गए, मैंने पूरे कर दिए, because there is one person who is agreeing with me. उसके बाद you will get a chance to speak. तो यही एक तरीके है. Firstly, try to establish rapport. उसके बाद जब स्क्रीनिंग हो जाती है, when you actual the SSB starts, then in a group be friendly with everyone. And then after some time, होता कि like when I went for SSB, I had 3-4 my group mates who were from Delhi. Okay. तो वो दिल्ली नेट पे जो है वो चल जाता था कि अच्छा ये दिल्ली वाला बोल रहा था, अभी चुप रहते हैं, इसकी बात को एग्री कर ले. तो ये अर्लियर यू एस्टेब्लिश द रेपो, बेटर इट.